Hey everyone! Hi, my name is Ghost, and today in the channel we're gonna be changing switches on my main keyboard. This is my main keyboard and this is what we're gonna be working with today, and I'm gonna be changing the current switches for something a little bit more talky. Wanna check it out? I currently have the MMD Princess on this keyboard, and it doesn't sound bad, honestly. But I love my talky keyboards, and I love my talky switches, so I'm replacing my MMD Princesses for the Gateron like Milky Yellow Switches, if it can like focus. There you go. So these are currently my favorite switches. I have a bunch of them, and I always test my keyboards with these ones too, like to see how they sound. So these ones are the ones I'm going to be replacing on my current keyboard. This is my main keyboard currently, and yes, so these ones are the ones we're gonna be using today. So let's go. Let's change them. Okay, now for a magic trick. Normally it works. Wait. Oh, I did it wrong. Wait a second. There you go! This is how you do it. Now this one is a different trick. You go. Well, there you go. Now I have new switches on my keyboard. I love the sound it's producing. I just wanted to make it a little, maybe even more talky than it is right now. So for that, I think I need to do some modifications to the base of the keyboard itself. But I hope you liked it. It's always quite a bit of work to do so, but this keyboard needed to be clean. It needed to be replaced some switches because I wanted a different sound. But thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about the keyboard or the setup, or if you have any suggestions of videos you'd like to see in the future, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. I almost dropped it. Bye!